How to insert video in PowerPoint. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert video in PowerPoint. To insert a video in PowerPoint, first of all, you will need to open your PowerPoint application on your device, and then you will need to select the slide where you would like to insert the video. Once you have selected the slide, here you will be able to see different icons on this interface. Simply click on this video icon. If in case you didn't see this option, you may also click on the insert option from the ribbon at the top left, and then in this menu here, come to the right side and then you will be able to locate the video option. Now simply click on it and then a menu will appear. Here, if you'd like to add the online video, you will need to select this online video option and then you will need to find the videos from online sources. Here, I'm going to use the video from my PC. If you'd also like to do the same, then click on this video on my PC and then select a video file you'd like to insert from your PC. Simply double click on it and then the video will be added. Now once you have inserted it, you can now resize and format the video using the tools available here. You can simply drag the corners to resize it. Now after that, if you'd like to preview it, simply click on this play button at the left side and then you will see your video is playing now. So by following these steps, you should be able to insert a video in PowerPoint. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.